Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Mercedes W203. That's the same for the whole generation, C160, C200, C230, 320, all of them. We're going to show you how to replace the headlight on them. So what you need to do is first you need to remove the bumper, and we have the video on our channel how to do so. And then right here in the corner there is a bolt with a 8mm bolt, 8mm socket right here. So what we need to do is just remove it, and then on the inside right there is another bolt again with the 8mm socket, and this one is pretty rusted, as you can hear it squeaking right there. And after that we have only one more left on the top right there, again with the same 8mm socket. We take it off, and then the whole headlight comes right out of there. You just pull it out, it catches a little bit the fender there. Okay, and that's how you remove the headlight on that Mercedes. On the back you just need to pull the wires, and this is the headlight assembly right there. This is the left side, but the right side you do it the same way we did the left side. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.